Hey everyone, it's Velour here. Today I'll show you how to add any accessory or item to your NPC in Roblox Studio. First, click Avatar and create our character. Okay, so let's create our avatar. There. To add an accessory, go to Roblox, click on Marketplace, and choose the item we want. Let's say I want to add this hair. We'll need to enter one command. We need to enter it here. This is what it's called. Now copy these numbers, our item's ID, paste them here in these brackets, and hit enter. There's our model. Next, we'll ungroup it. Now we put this accessory into the rig. Oops. And here's our hair. We can do the same with other items. Let's say I want to add a smile. Here are our numbers. Let's copy them. Go to Roblox. It looks like they didn't copy. Here's how it should look. Hit enter. There's our model. Click on. Also move the face to the rig. And our face changes. If the face doesn't change, we need to copy this ID again and go to our rig. Here's the head, here's the face, and here we can paste our texture link. That's all from Velour. Bye everyone.